For the past 10 years, I've been making videos on YouTube, growing channels, working with clients, and generating income online. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 AI tools that I personally use to create videos. All 3 of them are completely free, open source, and allow you to create unlimited videos. No credits, no hidden limits, no subscriptions. But here's the part most people don't tell you. It's not just about the tools, it's about how you use them. Because if you don't use them the right way, you'll still run into limits, restrictions, or just get bad results. So in this video, I'll walk you through the exact method step by step, so you can actually create unlimited AI videos without hitting any walls. And the best part is, these tools work on pretty much anything. Your laptop, PC, even your phone. Some of them can even run locally on your system. So you're not stuck relying on paid platforms or those free tools that suddenly ask for credits after a few tries. Now, before I show you how all of this works, take a look at this video, and this one, and this. All of these were generated using very simple prompts. Just look at the quality. The motion is smooth, the animation feels natural, and even the background sound design comes out really clean. With these tools, you can create content for YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, whatever format you want. Vertical, horizontal, square, it's all possible. You can go from text to video, image to video, or even generate everything from scratch in just a few minutes. Now, real quick, if you find this helpful, drop a like and comment where you're watching from. I always like seeing where the videos are reaching. All right, let's get into it. We'll start with tool number 3, and then work our way up to my favorite one. All right, let's start with tool number 3. This one is the most beginner-friendly, and it's a great place to get started. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Qwen 3.5+. Go ahead and open the website. Once you're on the home page, click on Try Chat. Now at the top right, click on Log In. You can either create a new account or just continue with your Google account to get in quickly. After logging in, you'll land on the main interface. You'll notice it looks very similar to ChatGPT, so it feels familiar right away. But the difference here is, you can do a lot more than just text. You can generate images, videos, and even upload files directly. Let's try something simple. Go to the prompt box and type, "a dog playing with a football," and hit enter. Give it a second, and there you go. Your image is ready. Now let's turn this into a video. You'll see the option to generate a video from this image. Click on that and let it process. And look at that. The motion is smooth, the animation actually makes sense, and even the small details feel surprisingly clean for something generated this quickly. If you want to save it, just click on the download button and it'll be saved directly to your device. Also, if you scroll down a bit, you'll find the community section. This is actually really useful because you can see what other people are creating, images, videos, different styles, and even get ideas for your own prompts. So if you're just starting out, this can help a lot. Quick takeaway. This tool is simple, easy to use, and gives you multiple features in one place. Perfect if you're new and want something that just works without overcomplicating things. Now let's talk about our second tool. And remember, the tool I'll show you after this one is my personal favorite. But first, let me show you this one. Open your Chrome browser and search for Meta AI. Then go ahead and open the website. Once you're on the site, log into your account. After logging in, you'll start seeing images and videos that other people have already created. And on the side, you'll find all the available options. To start creating, just click on Create. Let's begin with something simple. Upload any image you want. Then choose your ratio, depending on whether you're creating for YouTube, Shorts, or TikTok. Now in the prompt box, just describe what you want the AI to do. Once that's done, click on Generate. All right, here's the result. Now to be real with you, it's not always perfect. Sometimes the motion can feel a bit off depending on the prompt, but this is just the basic use. Let me show you where this tool really shines. Instead of uploading an image, let's generate one inside the tool. Select the image option. Choose your ratio and write a simple prompt. Click Generate. And look at these. The image quality here is actually really impressive. Now here's the interesting part. If you want to turn these into videos, just click on Animate. Let's animate a couple of them. All right, now check this out. This looks way smoother. The motion feels more natural. And overall, the results are much cleaner compared to basic image to video. So if you want better outputs, this is the method I'd recommend using. Now, let me show you how my video is 8 seconds long, but yours only 5 seconds. For that, open any video you've generated. On the side, you'll see an option called Extend. Click on that. What this does is continue your video beyond its original length. For example, if your video is around 5 seconds after extending it, you'll notice it becomes longer, around 7 or 8 seconds, and the scene continues smoothly. If you look closely, the last frame transitions naturally into the extended part, which makes the whole clip feel continuous. Also, don't confuse this with the Meta AI inside WhatsApp. Yes, it's from the same company, but this version is much more powerful and gives you way more control and features. So overall, this tool is fast, smooth, and doesn't hold you back with limits. And if you use the image to animate method, the results are honestly really solid. Now, let's move to the final tool. And this one is something most people don't even know about yet. These are the Hunyuan models. And since you made it this far, I'll give you not just one, but two really powerful models inside it. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Hunyuan, then open the website. Now, don't worry if the page opens in another language. Just right-click anywhere and click Translate, and you're good to go. Once you're here, click on the Gmail option to sign in. This makes things really simple. You don't need to create a password or fill out a long form. Just use your email, paste the verification code, and you're in. That's it. You're inside, you'll see a list of different models. But the two we care about are the image model and the video model. Let's start with the image one. Here, you can generate high-quality images, very similar to what you'd normally see in paid tools. You can type in any prompt, choose your aspect ratio, and create pretty much anything you want. You can also transform existing images into different styles or looks. So take a moment, generate something you like, and once you have your image ready, we'll move to the next step. Now switch to the video model. Before that, just download the image you created. Then open the video section. You'll see a very simple interface here. First, set the resolution to 720p. It might look slightly lower than 1080p, but it generates much faster, which makes a big difference. Now upload your image. And here's something I really like about this tool. You don't have to manually choose horizontal or vertical. It automatically detects the format based on your image. So if your image is vertical, you get a vertical video. If it's horizontal, it stays horizontal. Now in the prompt box, describe what you want to happen in the video. Also, turn on Prompt Enhancer. This usually improves the result quite a bit. Once everything is set, click Generate. And here are the results. You can see the motion, the detail. It actually comes out really solid. And the best part is, you can generate as much as you want. There are no credits or limits stopping you. So overall, this tool gives you both image and video generation in one place. It's simple to use, and everything is free and unlimited. Definitely one of the most underrated options right now. So yeah, these are the 3 tools that you can start using right now to create AI videos for free. No limits, no credits, no subscriptions. If you have any questions or get stuck anywhere, just drop a comment below. I go through them and try to reply to as many as I can. And if you want all the direct links to these tools, plus the prompts I used, I'll leave everything in a free PDF in the description. Just follow the steps and you'll be good to go. If this helped you, a quick like really does make a difference. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.